Hello, today I want to show you and demonstrate a new model of earphones by pretty new company on the market, Campfire Audio, their entry-level model Orion. It's sold for $350. It is the less expensive offering in their lineup, but it is really interesting single balanced armature driver IEM that offers nice sound and many other good features. They came in small cardboard box. You can see it's pretty nice, have interesting print on top. You will need to cut here to open it, so it's perfectly sealed. You can be sure that no one opened it before. Inside you will find nice case. You can see it's really great made. Also 3 pair of comply tips. This is velcro that was used to wind cable. 3 pair of different foams, different sizes. Nice high quality printed manual and warranty. 3 pair of silicone single flange tips and cleaning tool with brush and wax removal. And of course earphones themselves with cable. Orion design is very nice. They use case made of aluminium. This case is used by all models of Campfire Audio. They have such interesting modern look with a lot of edges, lot of bevels, and they have pretty comfortable parts that enter your ear. There is only one bore because there is only one driver inside, but it fits pretty nicely. But there is one issue. These edges here can be sometimes disturbing your ear. I found that when I move them a bit forward in the ear, they have more comfortable fit, and there is no any issues for me. So it depends on your ear. But Campfire Audio stated that they will work on this and they will improve fit and comfort of use. So when you have a nice selection of tips, you can find one that will suit your needs most of all. So actually there is no big issues with fit and comfort. They offer interchangeable cable. Here used standard MMCX connector, and they have nice cable attached with them. It is Allo Audio tinsel wire. Separately it's sold for $150. So, and here it comes bundled. This part have memory effect, so you can bend it as you need to form ear hooks that will be good for your ears. It's lightweight, looks really fancy and stylish, but it have a slight microphonic. It's pretty inflexible, so it have noise when touching your clothes and so on. But from other points of view, cable is very nice. It's really good. One of the best cables that bundled with earphones ever. And of course about the sound. These IEMs use single balanced armature inside, and they have all pros and cons of single balanced armature. They have absolutely great resolution that gives you nice airness, speed, and unusual level of micro details. But as usually they lacking some weight on lower frequencies. Actually they don't miss bass, because bass is present, and mid bass is pretty good in both in quality and in quantity, but it has a quick decay, so it doesn't punch well. So it's not for those who like bass. It's not for bass heavy styles. It's actually for the genres that prefer resolution over the quantity. So bass is fast, it doesn't bleed on mids. Mids have extra good resolution, have nice amount of details, nice emotions. Highs tuned also perfectly. They have a spike on 5-6 kHz, but it lies below the mid frequencies, so it doesn't introduce a lot of sibilance. Actually pretty nice and good balanced earphones. I like them with vocals, especially with female ones, but male is also good. They require a good source, so they are pretty picky for your player and quality of recordings. But if you like single armature and prefer natural and detailed sounding, it's really a great option for you to consider. Recently Campfire Audio introduced a new model that improves the Orion. It costs a bit more, but they state that it sounds better. But anyway, Orion is nice, probably the best single armature IM that I've heard. So I like them very much, especially with 5X7 and with Kane N5. Thank you for attention.